This is Vivek Srivastav sir, and I am here with subject geography, and that will be for class 7. And the topic that we are going to discuss today, that is human environment interactions. Okay, so in this topic we are going to know about the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Okay, so let me start from the book. See page number 68. The Ganga Brahmaputra and their tributaries together form the Ganga Brahmaputra basin in the Indian subtropical region. Okay, it is the second largest hydrological region in the world. Okay, if we are discussing about the Ganga Brahmaputra basin, it is the second highest in the world. Okay, region that has the hydrological region. Okay, the basin is one of the finest example of the human's interactions with the environment. The availability of the fertile, alluvial soil and ample water in this area is the gift of the following Ganga, Brahmaputra and its tributaries. It means the Ganga river and the Brahmaputra river and the tributaries of these two rivers. Okay. So, popular for agriculture, this vast stretch is one of the most densely populated basins in the world. It means this region is densely populated, and why densely populated? Because there are agriculture farming. Okay. So, the summers are hot and the winter are cool in this region. It is very interesting to explore more about this basin, which is home to millions of people. Okay, so first topic that should to be discussed here, that is topography. Okay, what is topography of this Ganga Brahmaputra basin? The topography of Ganga Brahmaputra basin is not uniform. As discussed in the beginning of the chapter, the major part of the geographical area of the basin lies in India. Okay, comprising three large topographic divisions of Indian subcontinent, including snow-covered mountains, that means glaciers, plains and highlands. The glaciers provide water to all the tributaries. The glaciers provide the water to all the tributaries throughout the year. Okay, it means the melting of the ice provide water to the tributaries throughout the year. Due to the varied topography, the population, vegetation and wildlife in this area also vary. It means different at different places. So next topic that in this part will be human habitation and occupation. It means what is the habitation and the occupation in Ganga Brahmaputra region. So the population varies as per topography of the basin. The mountainous region is sparsely populated. As we all know, there is a very less settlement on the mountains regions. So that is known as sparsely populated because of the difficult terrain and cold climate. Because the climate at mountains are very cold and the terrains are very difficult. So the plain make the life easy for human habitation. These are densely populated because of the terrain, availability of the water and fertility of land. Okay, so agriculture is the main occupation of this area. Clear? Because we have plain land, so agriculture will be the main occupation. As the area has varied topography, different type of agriculture are seen in different areas of this basin. Let have a glimpse of agriculture crops activities of this state. First, there is tea plantation. Okay. The second one, silk production and the next is that is banana plantation. That is a occupation related to plantation. The main crop in this area is paddy. Paddy, as you know, rice. Okay, so main occupation is paddy. The water required for paddy is easily available in this area from the rivers and heavy rainfall. Apart from paddy, crops such as wheat, maize, sugar, sorghum, gram, millet are grown there. Cash crops like sugarcane and jute also grown there. Tea and banana plantation are also seen in this area. Some areas of the plain. In parts of Assam and Bihar, silk is produced by cultivating silkworm. Fishery is another. Fishery, it means fish. Okay, fish, related to fish, that is known as fishery. So fishery is another agricultural activity in the state like Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. That is all for today, and in the next video you will know about the natural vegetation. Clear? So till then, watch all the related video to this topic and read this topic carefully, and you have to read the next topic for better experience. Okay, have a nice day. Thanks for watching the channel.